Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Papercraft Society box number 28, and this box is by Lynnette Jasper and she's known as Pretty Gets Gritty. So let's have a look and see what's inside the box. Now inside we always get a wallet and we get some tissue paper with some more goodies. I'm going to leave that for a minute and I'm going to have a look now at what comes inside the folder. So when we open it up, we have 3 little pockets in here. We are getting 2 stamp sets this month. Normally we would get a stamp set and a die set, but this month we're getting 2 stamp sets. So the first thing I'm going to do is have a look at those. I'm going to put them on some white cardstock so you can better see the stamps that come on it. So this stamp set is really, I think, more about taking a journey, taking a chance, maybe if you're going for a new job or just doing something that normally you wouldn't do, you know, and are inspired to do. So some of the stamps that are in here are take every chance, drop every fear, go where you feel most alive. There are coordinates on the planet, go wild for a while, life's a journey, not a race. Your direction is more important than your speed. Follow your soul, it knows the way, and take the chance. We also get some fabulous large stamp on this. We've got some flowers here. There's lots of great stamps here on these 2 stamp sets. So let's have a look at what else comes in the kit. So we have some pattern papers and some stencils. I'm going to have a look at the stencils first. We get 3. And these are lovely for doing some mixed media on your project. And I love this one. It's kind of like a floral. Really cute. So as I said, we get 3 stencils and we also get some pattern paper. We get 1, let's have a look and see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get 8 sheets of pattern paper, and I'll quickly go through these so you can have a look. A lot of the imagery on these are what's on the stamps. And I love the color palette that Lynnette has chosen here with these lovely blues and greens and grays. So a fabulous selection of pattern paper for us. Okay, so that's everything that comes in the wallet. Let's have a look now and see what comes inside the tissue paper. So inside the tissue paper we also get some goodies, and don't forget you can use your tissue paper in products as well. So we'll just put that out of the way for now. We get loads of goodies in here. So we get some acrylic paint. This is in like a dark grey and a baby blue, and we also get a little pot of white gesso. So there's the 3 of those. We get a brayer, as you can see here, and I think it'll become more obvious as to why we get a brayer. We get a little foam sponge, and this will be cool for doing some impressions on our cardstock. And we also get this, a palette knife. There's the book, and it's all our inspiration, a question and answers with Lynnette. We'll have a look at that in a moment. We get some coordinating cardstock, and don't forget you can use the little wrap that comes around the cardstock. I used that in a card that I made in my last video. So with the coordinating cardstock we get 2, 3, 4, hard to get them apart, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've 8 lovely matching cardstocks there, and we have the navy, the grey, sky blue and light blue. So all these go with the colour palette from our pattern papers. And then finally we get a gel media plate. I don't know if you can hear it on my microphone, but it's absolutely lashing raining outside here in this beautiful west coast of Ireland. So I have never used a gel media plate before. I have seen Louise Collins. She's done a beginner's YouTube tutorial for using a gel media plate. So I'd recommend having a look at that. But I'm sure that Lynnette has got some great inspiration inside the booklet for us. So this is what comes inside your box, and then we have some inspiration, and again Lynnette has here how to use your gel plate, so you're not left with, you know, not knowing what to do if you've never used one before. There's also great inspiration here from some other designers in the Craft Stash group, and there's lots of different things to see and do, from cards and tags, etc. So these are the products that comes in this Papercraft Society box number 28, inspired by the beautiful Pretty Gets Gritty Lynnette Jasper. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye for now.